This is a video how to install a pedal commander on a 2018 to 2020 Toyota Camry. First step to installing the pedal commander is that you need a Phillips head screwdriver. Right here. Go on this. You take out the screw right here. First screw you unscrew here. The next second screw is right here. Go under it. The clip right here. You have a clip right here. That's the first clip. First clip you loosen. Press it forward and pull down on it. The second one is right here. Do the same thing. And you push down. Then you have access to under the car. You need to remove the sensor right here. Remove the sensor right here. The pedal commander right here. You take the wire. The next step is to, once you take this piece off, you put this end into this piece, and you put this next end into this piece. The next end goes into here. All the pedal commander is all connected now. The next step is to put everything back together. Put the two screws and screw the second screw here. And the other screw right here. The final step is to start the car up. Take the pedal commander. This is eco mode acceleration. This one is city mode. City mode +4. Sport mode. Sport 4. Sport +4, the high setting. +4. Barely touching the gas pedal and it's getting up and go. That's it for this video. Subscribe and like the video. Everyone have a good day.